Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I couldn't do a video last week. We've been doing crunch at my day job and we're still doing crunch, but I got access to the Metahuman creator, which is what you're seeing on screen right now. Very cool, right? So we got this interface. Actually, I've just opened it, so you are seeing brand new. What I'm seeing, I've never used this before. The thing is, I got the acceptance email where they told me, congratulations, you've been accepted into the early access, but you only have 1 hour. So that is why I decided to jump in straight away and start talking about this. And as you can see, there's some icons in some of the characters that says, this character uses assets that are currently in development, which will be only displayed at LO0 and 1. So what I've been seeing in some YouTube videos is when you go past LOD 1, some of the things disappear, like the hair and other stuff. So let's just select a face that we can work on. This looks like a face that I've always imagined to be in one of my short films. So let's give it a shot. Also, remember to leave a like and leave a comment. What would you like to see about these metahumans in the future? I'm very curious as to what you think. Have you tried this product? Have you tried the ones that are on Quixel? Very curious to know who has access to this so far. And we get this. Oh, he's animated already. This is awesome. And one of the things that this reminds me of is this your average creator in any video game. So if you've tried any video game and this looks fantastic, this I have no words for how amazing this model looks. The hair is one of the things that I've always think it looks the worst in CGI. This hair looks fantastic. The way that he's moving, the facial movement, and I'm not doing any motion capture or anything. I don't have any of those fancy gadgets yet. This is just an animation that came default with the character. So let's see. Hotkeys, reference, focus point. So right click. Right click is to focus. Right mouse hold to orbit. Middle mouse to pan. So pretty much usual tools of any 3D program if you have played with a 3D program before. So there are sculpt points. So this is cool to know because I was wondering if you could stylize these guys. Move sculpt point, reset, rotate lights, reset lights. That's cool that you can do this. Toggle clay render. Let's see what that is. So I'm assuming this is like if you've sculpted in ZBrush or Blender. I'm assuming this is what you will be seeing if you do any sculpting on your metahuman. Oh, so he is full body. I thought it was only the head. So it's full body. Oh, this is amazing. Some very nice looking clothes. Although from what I see, the clothes is usually pretty similar. But still, this clothes look amazing. That's a very nice texture. So let's toggle that back again. Let's see. So he has a face camera, a body camera, torso. So awesome. You have hotkeys to focus on every part of his body. Have an undo and a redo like every other program out there. All right, so let's see. Select environment, indoors. Oh, we can select different types of HDRI. This is fantastic. Silhouette. Okay, this is excellent. So when you are sculpting several things, if you're not into 3D art, one of the things that I always do when I'm creating characters is look at the silhouette and make sure that that silhouette has a little bit of differentiation with the other characters. So for a good example is the Emberbane game that I'm participating in. And one of the things that I always take care of is making sure that characters all have different silhouettes, so that way when you see them from afar, you can tell that they are a different character. You don't get confused when playing the game. So let's see, outdoors looks really cool. Let's leave that. We can select all the LODs. Let's see LOD 7, what it looks like. Oh, okay, so, wow, it got rid of the hair and everything. Alright, but for myself, since I'm not making games yet with this, I'm probably going to keep to LOD 0. LOD 1 still looks amazing, to be honest. Let's switch that to studio again. Okay, because outdoors seem to be a little bit low res. Sorry, I just noticed there was a part of the window you couldn't see. So we have this toolbar below, and you can hit play and he'll start moving and kind of like emoting, so you can see different movements. And I'm pretty sure if you do any blend shapes here, you could see them. Like I said, I haven't participated on this before, so you can sculpt different points. This is really cool. You can move things around, and you can blend. This Metahuman uses groom currently in development. Okay. To enable blend mode in the viewport, drag 3 of the presets so you can blend different faces. Is that so? Again, I don't know what I'm doing. This is like the first time that I've done this. So this blend piece, I have no idea what's going to be blending. So I'm just not gonna touch that for now and focus on the things that I know we can do. So let's see, we have skin. We can change the skin tone. I'm wondering what part of the texture can we change? Oh, there you go. So we got some different textures around here where he can actually look older, I presume. Wow, that's really cool. So let me see. Okay, that's default. We have contrast. I didn't see any changes right there. And by the way, one of the things that I'm seeing right now is that it's better to use the undos and redos over here than it is to do Control C or Control Y. Roughness is not doing anything. Let's see, eyes. We can change the eyes. Like that's amazing. Let's give him some. These eyes are wicked. Oh, those looks amazing. Teeth. Wow, that's really uncanny. That's really uncanny. But I guess that's where we are now because they are so lifelike. So you could pretty much change the teeth color and everything here. You can actually add plaque to his teeth. Are you serious? That's so funny. Look how, yeah. So now, jaw open. Oh, so you can open the jaw here so you can see the tongue and everything. Very cool. Let's just reset these. Makeup. I don't know. Oh, that actually looks good. Some nice ambient occlusion around that too. Okay, so we can change his hair. And right now, there you go. Oh, this is an awesome look. See, we can actually, it actually takes a while loading each hair, so I'm not gonna go through them in this video because otherwise this is gonna take a while. So let me see if I can take him to what he had before. Nope, not even close. Color. There you go. That's much better. I don't think that was the original hairstyle, but that looks cool. We have beard, mustache. And again, I'm not gonna mess with the hair because that's what takes the longest to load. So let's go into the body. Let's see. So we have your average looking male. If you select this one, you get a really skinny male. And you could also select different. Oh, that was weird. You see how the head came down? So you can have a female body and a male head, so this is gonna be fun. But yeah, you can change the body type. He can be fat. I'm assuming you'll have to change the face if you give him a different body type. Like if you are going to make him fat, then you have to definitely change his face, because it looks like this head doesn't match that body. So let's see. These are the clothes that we have nowadays. Oh, this looks really slick. Let's see. Oh, we can change the color of the pants over here, and shoes. That gives him some boots. Oh, some really cool boots. That's awesome. And he can also be wearing sneakers. All right. So let's go into something that I'm really interested about. There are two things, but if you are someone from Metahumans, one of the things that I'm really wondering about this is how much can I customize my character? So if I wanted to make a sci-fi suit that has a ton of armors and details, I always wonder if there's a way that I can get that here, or do I have to take this character out into a 3D program, put that clothes on him, and then bring him back? How would that work with the rigging? I'm very curious about that. So if anyone from the Metahumans or the Unreal team is looking at that, can answer that question, I really appreciate that. But anyways, let's go back to the face. So let's see, we can do some cool blend shapes here. Well, not blend shapes, but we can just change things by moving him. We can sculpt. Let me see. So we can sculpt his eyes. I wonder if we can give him big anime looking eyes. Sort of make him stylized. I guess not. Yeah, there you go. I'll lower his jaw this way. I can actually, I think I pretty much can sculpt myself if I wanted to. There you go. So there is a limitation. It's not completely freeform. There are some things that you are limited to. So see, apparently I can make him fat. I can play with type of nose he has. But you cannot give him big anime eyes. You can give him big alien eyes. But you cannot do, apparently, it doesn't allow for that. What I was trying to do is the Pixar style eyes that they do in some of their characters. I always wanted that Pixar look between stylized with realistic texturing. I always thought that looked cool, but I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy with what we have here. This is amazing and it's insanely detailed. Like, you have no idea. Right now this is running off the web, and I'm running OBS, and it's running pretty well. So I presume if you have a average computer, and by that I mean a computer with a GPU, nothing integrated, this should work. Probably if you have an integrated video card, this probably work as well, because from what I know, this is running out of a cloud server, so you shouldn't have any problems if you submit an application early today like I did. Which reminds me, there's a Discord link in the comment section if you want to sign up for that. We're always highlighting like free stuff on the marketplace, some assets. I even have a section for jobs for 3D artists if you're looking for those. So join the Discord, it's really cool. We have a nice community in there. We actually everybody in there that got on with me this morning, most of them already have access to this, so that's one of the nice things to be on the Discord. Yeah, so let me see, how can it says here all changes are saved. I want to see how can let's see, preview. Alright, so I refreshed Bridge, and before in my Metahuman collections, it said 58, now it says 59. So that means that the one that I created should be around here. So it says latest Metahumans. Oh, I have a My Metahuman tab. Oh, that was my mistake. So you technically don't have to export anything because this is tied to your account. And when you sign up for the Metahuman Creator, it's going to ask you for your email. Usually when you sign up, the form, it's shown to you in your Unreal account. So because this is linked to my Unreal account and I use Bridge with my Unreal account, then I can have access to the Metahuman that I just created, and I can download him from here. So that is great, that is great. So over here you can start Metahuman Creator. I'm not gonna click that so it doesn't break things. You can download him from here. By the way, if you don't see the Metahumans preset, I'm pretty sure by now there's been tons and tons of videos made about this. But if you don't see, remember to update Bridge. It's probably going to give you a prompt if you have not updated Bridge to install, and it'll show you this right after it has installed the update. Alright, so in a coming video I will be posting me playing with some of the Metahumans. I actually had something that I was making way before the crunch started at my work with Quixel stuff, because everybody wanted Quixel stuff back. And now I'm just going to include a Metahuman in there, see how it behaves, show you guys how to export, and I'll show you some other cool stuff that I've discovered, some fixes that I found for ray tracing. So subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you're up to date with the notifications. Remember, there's a Discord. Follow me on Twitter. If you want to help out the channel, there's a Patreon. I'm really thankful for all my patrons right now if you can help out, because the ad revenue is not doing so well. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you around. I'll see you in the next one.